Hi, this is Mrs. Piper, and I am getting ready to illustrate step 2 of our instructions. Step 2 says, once you have decided what colors you wish to use, you will then start cutting out the shapes. Now, it says that the shapes need to be cut out back to back, and I want to make sure that you understand what I mean by this. I've decided that I need some orange. Again, I'm not overthinking it. I'm not looking at the lettering. This just becomes background patterns. I'm not really concerned about it. But I need to have color on both sides of the shape that I cut out. So the instructions will tell you to fold your paper in half and then cut the shape out. And I'm doing kind of a plume shape. And if you'll notice, I now have it's back to back. So once you've got your shape cut out, you then need to glue the two sides together. So we're going to take our glue, we're going to run it around the edge, and we're going to glue it to itself. So now my shape is color on both sides, okay? Remember, I'm not worried about the lettering. It's just the overall color. So a quick review, when you have the color that you want, you're going to take your board, your cardstock, you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to cut the shape that you want out. But because it's folded, you're actually cutting two shapes at the same time, back to back. That way the color is on the outside. Okay, and remember, if I open it up, I have to glue these together. So I'm going to put the glue around the edges, and I'm going to hold them together, fold them together, and now I have another shape. So I have two orange shapes. They're glued back to back so that they're colored on both sides. So any shape that you want, you take the board, you fold it in half, and then you cut the shape out that you want. Now it's colored on both sides. You glue them together. So I'm going to take my glue, squirt it around the edge, and glue them together. You're going to do this for all of the shapes that you're going to want for your sculpture. So now I have some greens, I have some oranges, I've already cut some blues and some reds out. So this brings us to the end of step 2. Again, step 2 reads, cut shapes out back to back. When you select the colors that you wish to use, fold the section in half, back to back. Then cut out your shape, glue them together so that it is colored on both sides. This concludes step 2. I will see you later for step 3. Thank you very much.